We're going to do a quick review. I don't know that it's technology, but we ran out of crap to review, so we're going to do a Pit Boss pellet grill.
Might I add, we've had this thing all of 2 weeks.
Hey now, I'm messing with my air hole. Came a lot more crap than I thought. I need a minute. It's getting harder and harder to find crap that you can buy that people aren't protesting. All right. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a quick review. I don't know that it's technology, but we ran out of crap to review, so we're going to do a Pit Boss pellet grill. All right, so
Might I add, we've had this thing all of 2 weeks.
hey now, I'm messing with my air hole. All right, so we're going to go over this thing, and I'm going to tell you why we bought it. One, I really miss having my big green egg, and I'm just going to say it. We cooked on it 3, 4, 5 times a week, and really enjoyed it. The flavor was incredible, and the Blackstone just was not cutting it. I mean, it would cook food, but I couldn't do a whole chicken on it, and it's still in there. We bought this, and this is what it looks like after we did its first burn in. It says to run it up to about 300 to break it in, burn off all the oil and everything, and then crank it on up to to high. Well, we did it, and it caught fire. I mean, we'll just be honest, it caught fire, and it scorched that area right there.
It melted the handle off.
Well, it didn't melt the handle off. This happened. We put it in the fifth wheel, and we drug it from Tennessee to Utah. And when I got it out, the handle was busted. You know, so the fifth wheel did that. Mm. But 3 things I like about it. I like its size. It fits in the fifth wheel, and we had room for it. 2, it uses hardwood pellets. And we bought the Pit Boss brand. I imagine you can use whatever you want to. 3, I like the size of it. So for me and Maria, I can get a whole, I call it a splatted chicken, where you cut the breast in half and lay it flat. I'll throw a bonus in there. Damn it. I like the fact that it's got a temperature setting, and it'll hold it there. All right, so what I don't like about it. This is called the Pit Boss Pro, but there's one sold by Walmart, there's one sold by Camping World, and there's one sold by Lowe's. They're all identical. The one sold by one of them has a 7-pound hopper that holds pellets. The other 2 have 5 pounds. What makes this one supposedly special for Lowe's is this covering that's on it, which you can see burnt the hell up. But it's supposed to come with 2 grab handles, but it didn't come with the adapters to attach the handles to it, so I don't have those on there. I don't like that for $200 it's kind of cheap. Maria's signaling it was $300. It was $299. it's just not that. This version that comes from Lowe's appears to be of higher quality metal, but it's still not. It's not going to survive. I mean, it might make it a year, and maybe it's just we're not taking very good care of it. But I like to think we take good care of stuff. But
except when you set stuff on fire.
Yeah, their support has been great. Their telephone number, you can call them, and they'll send me the parts. It's not a big deal. The other thing I forgot to tell you is this is what's different on the one from Lowe's. So on the inside, damn it. On the inside, this thing's got a grate right there. It's got a plate that goes over the firebox. And you can open and close this to let air into the little heater box. This is where the pellets go. It seems to be fairly efficient on using pellets. But we're going to check and see what the temperature is on this thing. It's been smoking for quite a while. We're getting close. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run this up just a skosh. We'll kick it up to 300. We're going to sit out here and watch or look at these beautiful mountains.
Here comes a little dirt tornado.
Drink this yellow jacket here, and for those of y'all that have not been out to the Utah desert, it's dusty.
But look at our view. I mean, you just couldn't ask for a better view. This is a campground. It's hard to comprehend how big that mountain is until you see the little car go by.
It's Amazon. For those of y'all that don't know, that's beer. It helps keep this chicken moist. As you can see, this little thing right here, you can see the fire in there, or I can close it. Closed. Move that chicken around just a skosh. I found this stuff several years ago. It's called Slap Your Mama, and they've got 3 versions. Some of it's in a white can, some in a yellow can, some is in a red can. And you just sprinkle this all over both sides of your chicken. That's really all you've got to do with it. It's made in Louisiana. This is the original blend, and it's good. If you like a Cajun seasoning, it's better than Zatarain's. I like it better than Tony's on poultry and shrimp. But anyway, that's Walker and Sons. We're open for selling products. We can be bought. We got Todd here. Woo! Yeah, that bird's done. That's my safety lock. Put that down there, it won't come up.
Okay.
Thanks for watching the review on the Pit Boss and how we smoked a chicken. What do you think?
That's good.
Pretty good. All right, so for this one, what I did was I took all the skin off of it. So it's not as juicy as if you cook it with the skin on, but all this seasoning got down in there really nice.